Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 23, OV 133. मग माधवराव झाले जाते, आणिक सुरा आणावयाते, ते तिकडेच वाड्यात जाहले बैसते, की न घडो हस्ते ती हत्या. Then Madhav Rao left to get another knife. He remained in the Vada, delaying his return so that the killing would not have to be done at his hand. मग काकांचे पहावया मानस, बाबा तव आज्ञापिती तयास, जातू सुरा आण कापावयास, निर्मुक्त सायास करीत्या. Then to test Kaka's mind, Baba ordered him, "Go, you bring a big knife to cut. Let the goat be freed from its misery." काका बावन कसी सुवर्ण, बाबास जरी ठावे पूर्ण, तथापि ते ताविल्या वाचून, निवती न नयन जनाचे. Kaka was pure gold. Though Baba knew this fully, unless he had tested him in public, it would not be believed. ते चोख आहे की हिणकस, परीक्षा न करिता जन चौकस, घेती न लाविता सुलाख वा कानस, धरिती न विश्वास बोलाचा. Whether gold is pure or is of a low quality, shrewd people do not have faith on the spoken word till it is tested by rubbing it with a file. लाधाया हिऱ्यास निज वैभव, सोसू लागती घणाचे घाव, हुकाची न देवकळा गौरव, टाकीचे घाव न साहता. For the diamond to achieve its luster, it has to bear being beaten with a hammer. A stone has to bear the wounds of the chisel to reach the splendor of divinity. काका जरी गळ्यातील ताईत, इतरास कैसी यावी प्रचित, हिराही बांधोनी सूत, पारखी अग्नीत टाकिती. Although Kaka was as precious as the talisman around the neck, how would others realize it? An assayer tests a diamond by tying it with a thread and putting it into the fire. संतवचनी धरिता विकल्प, अयशस्वी तयाचे संकल्प, निस्सत्व निष्फळ वाग्जल्प, परमार्थ अल्पही साधेना. If one had doubts about the words of a saint, his efforts for achievement are unsuccessful. His words become meaningless, futile, fruitless chatter. Not even a bit of spiritual growth is gained. वंद्य मानी जो गुरुवचनार्थ, सफल तयाचा स्वार्थ परमार्थ, देखे जो दोष कुटिलता तेथ, अधःपात पावेतो. One who respects the words of the Guru will achieve his welfare and the supreme goal of his life. But he who finds fault with them and thinks them vile, he is ruined. गुरु सेवेसी जो तत्पर, गुरुवाज्ञेचाच ज्या आदर, इष्टानिष्टतेचा सर्व विचार, गुरु शिरावर तो ठेवी. One who is always ready to serve the Guru, respects and obeys the Guru's orders, he makes the Guru responsible for what is correct or incorrect in all respects. गुरुवाज्ञेचा तो किंकर, स्वतंत्र नाही तया विचार, नित्य गुरुवचन पालन पर, सारासार देखेना. He is the servant of the Guru's orders. He does not think independently. Always obeying the orders of the Guru, he does not distinguish what is good or bad. चित्त साई नाम स्मरणी, दृष्टी साई समर्थ चरणी, वृत्ती साई ध्यान धारणी, देह कारणी साईंच्या.